Alright, so right now I've got controller works. I'm going to show you how it doesn't work. Turn the game console off by hitting the button on the Nintendo Switch 2. Now power it back up. And this power isn't going to the console, it's just going to a power plug. Alright, the controller doesn't work, it does nothing. So I'm going to grab a second controller. This one does work. I'm going to turn this one. Oh, actually, that doesn't work. But anyway, this one's powered on. So I'm going to go ahead and power it off. Alright, it's off. Power it back on. You can see in the video. Let's turn it back on. Now it works. So I'm going to go in here and go into System Settings and go down to Controllers and go to the bottom, Disconnect Controllers. So I've got to remove the system from the dock. Disconnected the controllers. So now I've got to grip the controllers. So now it's on the pairing screen. So I'm going to turn this controller off. I'm going to turn the controller back on again, just so it works. Hit the pairing button. Alright, it's in pairing mode. It worked. Alright, so the controller has been repaired. Alright, now I'm going to turn the console off and turn it back on again. I hit the controller buttons. Nothing's happening. None of the buttons do anything. None of the buttons are doing a single thing. So nothing's working. So I turn it back off. Let's see here. It's off. Hit this button to power it back on. And it works again. Alright, and that's the problem with the controller. So that's it.